Hi guys and girls, welcome to channel CyruZ. Today you can see a lot of messy here. Actually I'm doing some restructuring and doing some sorting in preparation of this new year, because since now it's end of 2021, so I believe that is the time for me to do some cleaning and do some preparation for 2022, so that I can prepare more better video on this 2022. Okay, so now today I'm doing some spring cleaning, and you can see here in this the top actually is already empty compared to my earlier video which I shown on the first few episodes, because I have moved some of this onto my new rack on my ground floor. So maybe later after I fix all this cleaning, I will show again the clips to you off and show some picture. And actually today the reason I do this spring cleaning because I bought this from IKEA. Scan this. So I believe that this is a very good equipment for me to add in to my inventory to sort my stuff, so to ease my job. Okay, so based on the IKEA stuff I have, I believe that it's time for me to work on. And okay, let's start my work. Alright, I've done this scan this mounting. So I did not do a more mount. It's because I think I'm not good at the carpentry work. I don't want to drill a hole on my wall, so I bought this. This is the add-on part for the scan disc. So they used to mount on the table or on the cabinet in case you don't want to drill any hole on your wall. And after this, I bought some of the hook accessory. This is to hold my pen or the nipper, and this one is to hold some of the accessories such as the masking tape, some of the thumb putty or something like this, and this one maybe to put paint and all this. So this is the setup for my scan disc. I believe that this is still quite empty. Later when I have a time to go to IKEA again, then I will add on some more. Alright guys, here it is. I completely done my sorting. So you can see it did I try to categorize as much as I can. So for the accessory or some effect part, I try to sort it, compile it, and put in one place. Here is my Pandora box. Here. You can see here some of the items I still weak, I put in here, and I think that's all. But it seems like still quite mess, but I try to categorize as much as I can. But here you can see I have a big clean area for me again to do my video recording and do other stuff. So I think I hope that this video can give you some new atmosphere to prepare, start anew, and continue to do the best in this 2022. Before I end this video, as a closing, I would like to show this new display cabinet which I have mentioned just now. And here you can see I have spent some money to build a cabinet in my house so that I can fit in more Gampla and also other model kits. If you can see here, this is my one of the third-party kit from Super Robot War. This is a Humvee, and if you see my previous episode, you can see here there's a lot of MS assemble which I'm still working on. And here I have prepared another additional space for the next year MS assemble. And here you can see some of two kits from the movie 00 movie Trials of a Play, something like that. I forgot. So this is a toolkit, and actually I have some more project to work on this for fully customize the movie 00 kit. And here, this is one of the kit which I done on my previous video also. A Titan version new Gundam with Titan color. And here is big, the kit which I haven't started yet, which is the G-frame series. And then here, this is the boxes I put here as temporary before I do it. And here are some of the empty spaces. This one are one of my earliest kit which I built for my video for my channel, the CyruZ. And this another, never forget these two kits, one of the huge HG, the Penalot and the Sign Gundam. And here are the X-ray slot. And if you can see here, my blue frame Gundam head is missing and gone because I use it to replace my Wing Zero and Boss, which I have been shown on a previous video. And here are my HG kit. One of them is a previously G-frame for the Riot Special, and this is my Gundam Builders Contest kit which I put here, and my Beyond Global Gundam, and behind is a Barbados. So to close this 2021, I wish everyone to be healthy, and I hope that one day I can fill up my cabinet with a lot of kits that I show in the video, to be a blessing to everyone, for those who want to involve in the this modeling hobby. So thank you. Hope that will continue to get support from you all on this next year 2022. And finally, have a nice day and Happy New Year. Bye.